Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS M50 Mirrorless Camera Video Creator Kit, a comprehensive package that's ready to elevate your content creation game. Packed with features, this kit includes the Canon EOS M50 camera body and an EF M15 to 45mm lens, offering a versatile setup for both photo and video enthusiasts. The 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor delivers stunning image quality. Whether you're snapping high-resolution photos or shooting cinematic 4K UHD videos at 24 frames per second, the camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF ensure precise and swift focus, even in challenging conditions. One standout feature is the built-in OLED EVF with touch and drag AF, providing a high-contrast, high-color display for framing your shots. The Variangle 3.0-inch touchscreen LCD adds flexibility to your shooting style, allowing you to capture creative angles with ease. Connectivity is a breeze with built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, facilitating seamless image transfer to compatible devices. The 45-point all-cross type AF system ensures accurate focusing, while the 120p HD mode allows for captivating slow-motion footage. Now, let's talk about the accessories bundled in this kit. The Rode Video Mic Go lightweight on-camera microphone enhances your audio recording, while the LoPro camera case keeps your gear secure on the go. The 32GB and 16GB SDHC cards provide ample storage, and the Slinger digital memory card wallet keeps your cards organized. Additionally, the 49mm filter kit, UV-CPL-ND, lets you experiment with different shooting conditions, and the ProOptics cleaning kit ensures your equipment stays in top-notch condition. The Corel PC Photo Video Art Software Kit is a bonus for those looking to enhance their post-production workflow. In conclusion, the Canon EOS M50 Video Creator Kit is a powerhouse for content creators, offering a feature-packed camera with essential accessories. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or photography enthusiast, this kit has everything you need to bring your creative vision to life. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.